Time to share another hidden gem photo location in the city of Sacramento. Let's get it, guys. Headed to another awesome, cool, different photo spot in downtown Sacramento. I'm headed to the Sacramento Valley Station, which is essentially the train station in downtown Sacramento. It backs up against what's known as the rail yards. The main train station terminal building is absolutely beautiful. I've been in there a few times. I've taken the train from Sacramento to the Bay Area a few times. Every time I go in there, I'm like, dude, this building is absolutely insane. It's so beautiful. I've actually been in there and taken a couple photos in there. It's usually really busy, so it's hard to get good photos in there without everybody feeling uncomfortable, looking at you weird. But I'm gonna try to make the best of it. I'm gonna head over there today and see if I can get some cool video clips to just kind of share this really cool historic photo location in downtown Sacramento. The outside of the building's cool, tons of brick everywhere. The actual area where you can get on trains, like the Amtrak trains, there's tunnels that go down underneath the trains and the tracks, tons of leading lines, really cool stuff. I've actually done, I think, 2 photo meetups out there. So absolutely awesome area. It's not something that you typically would think of if you're thinking about a place to go take photos in Sacramento, but it's definitely cool. I'm going to share some of the cooler spots and show you why I think it's an awesome spot. So here we go. As you can see, the inside of the main terminal is absolutely incredible, man. Like, iconic kind of old train station, really beautiful architecture, so much detail. The ceiling is incredible, super high ceilings. There's some chandeliers that are really cool. It's like the dream spot. I've actually seen people do photo shoots there, and they've gotten some pretty cool shots in there, but I've also been kicked out of there and asked to leave. So I know you have to get clearance. I've reached out and tried to get clearance to do like a meetup there potentially, but was just never heard back. So I don't know who runs it. I don't know if it's, Amtrak, the city, but man, it's absolutely incredible inside there. That main terminal is definitely the highlight of that kind of, it's more than just a train station. It's like a transportation station. But yeah, that terminal is beautiful. And that is a wrap for another awesome photo location video. As you can see, man, that place is like a photographer's playground. There's just so much to see and do there. I think if you go in the morning or at a different time, you can get into the terminal and get access to that main terminal and get some shots in there, especially if you're just getting like, you know, architecture shots of the space. Definitely bring a wide angle if you're trying to do that. But if you're trying to do like a full-on portrait lifestyle shoot, I would definitely try to get clearance somehow. But that space is incredible, man. It's just another one of those areas that you just kind of don't think about, drive right past. And it's just underappreciated area of Sacramento. I do wish that the front of the building, I wish there wasn't parking in the front. I know how important parking is, but it just ruins the kind of vibe of that building. It's right up against the street. There's a bunch of cars, a bunch of parking in front. Like, that's such a beautiful historic part of our city, and it's kind of just ruined by cars, man. So I'd love to see like parking underground or something and make a plaza right there in front of the building and just take advantage of how beautiful that building is and how beautiful that space is, and really embrace our history and embrace some of the older architecture within the city. But you know, that's my personal rant. But yeah, as you can see, like, not just that terminal, but if you keep going and you cross the street, there's like tunnels that go down underneath the tracks, and that's a really cool spot for some kind of creative, there's a lot of like leading lines and stuff, so you can get some really cool, interesting, creative shots down there as well. But yeah, so much to see, man, so much to do. Love exploring, finding new gems like that. It's always a blast. But that'll do it for this video. Stay tuned for many more location videos coming very soon here on the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.